Hey everyone, it's me and Tahira today. We're gonna show you how to teach your dog to walk under your legs with you at the same time. So, what should I do? Okay, I'm gonna start at the beginning and work my way slowly towards our goal of being able to do it without having a treat stuck to their face and make it fall. Come on, pull it. Just get them warmed up, following a treat. Reward them every time they follow. Science movement, reward. Um, Normally I would reward him every single time, but I did this one because she wasn't getting it. So just warm them up. Come on, follow. Sometimes you can just go like this. Come on, follow, come on. I can move my hand. So get them used to following a bare hand. Come on, follow. Oh. So if they don't follow, it's probably that they're not liking that treat or they just don't want to follow it. Come on, follow. Come on. See, my dog does it. And that's pretty good. Come on, follow. Whoosh! Okay, good girl. Now you in my hand. What will I do? Not in my hand. See? Whoosh, whoosh. Okay, I'm gonna try it again. Follow. Come on, follow. Follow. Oh, follow. Come on. Come on, follow. Come on, follow. Walk. Come on, walk. And then you could like name it something like, come on, walk. Walk. Come on, walk. Walk. Come on. So when you get after that stage, come here, Pear. Come on. You can come on. You can try kicking them under your leg. I can't use Alicia Perry because she goes, get off. Walk. Walk. She's a little guy still. She always wants to be up front. So, so if they don't want to stay under, just and they're not gonna know. Oh, you want them to turn around. That's what they knew it. Come on, there, come on. Come here, follow, come on. Oh, she's like all like, oh. Hey, where's Sarah? Come here. Whoosh, 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 whoosh. No, sit down. No, I'm sorry. I'm like in everybody's way. There. Walk. Walk. Good girl. That was a good one. So, just try this basic design of everything. And you might just get it eventually. So, I hope everybody had a great day. I actually do. So, peace out. You peace out really well.